Hey guys, it's George K2000 here, and today we're here with something really annoying. My iPad's making some stupid noises like... Okay, yeah, I haven't cleaned my screen in a while. If you look, then let's click camera. Photo. After a while, for me, it just went really beyond the point of not being able to use. So let's click Skype. So everyone knows it's not, it's just so you don't see my name is on there. See that? Not gonna let you see it because see that? It's not supposed to make that sound. What else makes a sound on air? Photo booth does. Know that. Okay. Normal. Makes that. Okay. Now what we're gonna be looking at is this Angry Bird sound. This is the cooking one. All of you know that's not what the Angry Bird sound is. And it gets a lot worse. See, it's nothing's on there. It has a huge delay on there as well. I've looked through YouTube videos, have not found anything. So what I have here is a docking station for an iPhone 3, 4, and 4S, not the 5. What I have here is a Beats audio dock thing, which plugs into the back of this. Watch what happens when I plug it in to this, which I know it works good. I plugged it into my iPhone, not my iPad when it was working before. So let's go see how bad it is now. I should turn this on from the back. This isn't my house. This is I'm at my other. I have 2 rooms, so they both have beds in. Okay, see it's on here. Just turn the volume up a bit. It's all touchscreen. Then let's. So as you can see, it's working. It's doing the same thing on this. Okay, see, it's that same thing. I haven't tried a Bluetooth speaker because I haven't got a Bluetooth speaker. See, that's what's happening. See, it's the exact same. Should not see from funnier. Can't even listen to music. Not even YouTube. So let's do a classic Carly Rae Jepsen. Not supposed to be like that, is it? Okay, let's look at a classic George K2000 video, just so I'm not looking at anyone else's videos. Uploads. So I'm going to best internet here. So let's do my live stream announcement. That seems like it will be alright. It's plugged into this at the minute. Let's see what it's like when I unplug it. Oh, sorry, I just need to turn that off because see, that's fine. Then
check out the Twitch. We're streaming. We're doing loads of fun.
It's not supposed to be like that, is it? Not supposed to be like that at all. So if you guys know how to do it without like resetting my iPad or anything that will damage it, if it's just like going into settings or something as casual as this, and then just go in general, please leave it in the comments or even like link a video, please guys. I really do need this. It's really annoying me. It's the first time I've actually used my iPad in a while, and I like using my iPad because I've been playing a lot of Minecraft lately, and you can't really play Minecraft on this. So it's not under like music. It's not under any of this. They don't even on the App Store on the Apple website. It doesn't have anything to help. Just nothing's being blocked on the sides with this case. This case is fabulous. See all the speaker jacks have been exposed. It's got a reasonable amount of charge left on it. 18 if you can't see that. And yeah, it's just really annoying. Just do camera one more time. See, it's absolute rubbish, so